to the downside, breaking a structure and get down C. Then the market happens to do something like this. Look out for the last sale candle before the buy move that broke structure to the upside. As simple as that. That is your order block. They are very, very valid. You always ejabako imbalance, jabako wano candle week, all of that. You are very strong. It also will okujesiga. Na hivi nebisigadde for these guys who trade supply and demand. Always be cautious of this. These are the right demand zones that you can be able to trust. The last selling candle before the buy move that broke structure to the upside. For the guys abaina course yang, that is how I was able to abbreviate it. Actually very plain. As simple as that. So this is the right order block. Ojja bulungi. Era olaba zones zonna kwentera ofunira trades. Trade yange ebeera wano. So for this, for the inverted version, that is the supply zone. Oba sell order block ebeera bweti. When the market was pushing up, then shifting. There's always this last buy move. Kulekera candle. Then nekubawo nene ya red. Usually near red ejenga finger. Like this. So your supply zone is very strong because sweeping the liquidity wano. Nemala ne breaking a structure and get that one see. Oba onfuna bwenjogera bwentyo. Eyo osobola okujesiga n'otuuzaawo trade yo. Nawana era wekyandibadde, but I never took that. Nawana wekyandibadde kiti. Targeting to continue down. But I never took that. I only caught the buy. Okujjako ebibuuzo nga bingi bulala. Ibra. Weebasi.
Gwe ndi wano eno. Nnyo.
Nsaba kunyambako moderator wange. Aina wano ndaba waliwo yadde akuyita mu comment. Ndaba wano ayita Benda.
Oyo musajja.
Trading flow for physical meetups. Sina trading flow for physical meetups, but I do online mentorship. I usually handle beginners and intermediates. Beginner muntu abadde very green nga tamanyi how order blocks look. Ataina any concept gy'abadde alina oba strategy. Then intermediate ye muntu nga abadde a tradinga naye nga tali yet profitable. So that's it. Bado trying SMC, ICT, manya supply and demand, each and everything ngoyagala kucha advancing.
Ask this question. Why do you consider candle wicks to be a break of structure?
So ensonga lwaki I consider candle wicks to be breaks of structures nyangu very simple. So if you're having a break of structure here on the 4 hours with a candle wick, not a candle body closure, something like this, there's a possibility that on the lower time frames, that is the 15 minutes, 5 minutes, those lower time frames, we shall have some candle body closures there, whether I want it or not. So nze ekyo kyenasinziirako ne ngamba I will even count the candle wicks as candle breaks. Okay? Because if you're taking a trade, let's say somewhere, let's say you're taking a sell trade Where should I put it? Somewhere here. Let's say here, a sell trade. And then the market happens to hit your stop loss with a candle wick. Is it a valid loss or it is not a valid loss? Let's say the market does this. Ne hitting a stop loss yo with just a candle wick, ne mala then ne sellinga. Eno sell move we okaringa already you're out. Owekivudde mu bato China kyobanja. Ne candle wick esobola ku stopping out. So if a candle wick can stop your trade out, can't it make a break of structure valid? It can. It can. Just abantu bazikozesa for extra confidence n'agamba nti nze mu strategy yange nja kukozesa only candle body closures as valid breaks. Nga kyekimuwa emirembe kuba abawulira nti setup ye eba more perfect. Okay? Buli omu aba n'amateeka ga strategy ye. Naye gwe olaba ekikukolera n'okikozesa. Along the way olaba nga tekikyakola ng'omanya nti market evolvinga zikyuka kyewatandika nakyo kati essaawa zino ate kisobola nga tekikyakola oba olina okwadvancinga. Okay? N'obaako ekirala ky'ogattamu osobole okuba ne strong and solid strategy.
Hey, there is a good question here. There is another good question. For both buys and sells, do we look for M structures at QMs?
Yes, for buys and sells, we look for QMs only. QMs only. Let me give you an example here. There's this thing that happened. I know you can see it. So the market pushed up, gave us a pullback, then pushed up, then did this, and then shot to the upside. So seeing that, we know, yes, we had a break of structure here to the downside at first, okay? But right here, we have gotten a break of structure. But before breaking that structure, the market first swept the previous 3 candlestick pattern. Stay with me on this. So if you pull out this structure, nogiteka one, it is a bullish QM. Tujirabe on the 4 hours time frame. What is the next thing for you to do? Ask yourself, do I have some liquidities here? Do I have some liquidities here on the lower time frame? If you have, then that trade will be valid for you. That is how we wait for these trades. After seeing that on the 4 hour, you head down to the 1 hour. To the 1 hour, what are you seeing? You already know that this is a strong low. So whichever thing happens, the market cannot violate that low. That is a bullish QM. So you look for the last 3 candlestick pattern there. In this case, it was this. The market added you with another break of structure here. You could take your trade there with the stop loss below the strong low. Target to take out those highs, and you're out for that trade. No bullish QM, no trade, because if you don't have a bullish QM, it means the low that you're trying to buy from is not strong. It is not strong. So if you manage to take those buys that low is not strong, just scalp and move out. But what I highly recommend is sticking to that strong bullish QM. Okay? So guys, that you understand each and everything that I'm trying to communicate, and also ask questions.
Yeah, Michael was asking something here. Can I use QMs in lower time frames, like 5 minutes?
Yes, you can. There's a trade. There's a trade on gold. There's a trade on gold. Let me see. But it was on those